Already, what's going on, champions? 10 toes down, living this champion lifestyle. All right, man. Today is leg day. Big, stinky, nasty leg day. And we finna get it in, man. We got some back squats. We got some abductors and adductors. We got lunges. All of that stuff to build this foundation. Already, stay tuned, y'all. Thank you for rocking with me. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And we'll see you on the other side. Bye. All right, champions. So we just finished the 5x5 squats. I'll be honest with you, man. The power squats, it's probably the most difficult level of squats that I've done. Cause you do 5-second pause, 5 seconds on the way down. Then you gotta hold it in the squat, hold it in the hold for 5 seconds. And then you're supposed to come up 5 seconds. And then pause at the top for 2 seconds. So it's 5, 5, 5, 2. And honestly, that's very hard. And it's supposed to help with instabilities in your squat, especially when you're doing the clean and jerk and the snatch. It'll help the smaller muscles that you don't really work as much, because when I'm doing weightlifting training, it's a lot of power movements. Now I'm in the phase where I can do bodybuilding stuff, work on instabilities in my form and instabilities in my body. Again, I did have Achilles surgery on my right Achilles back in 2020, December 2020, and I'm still not all the way, I guess, right with that, because I still overcompensate to the left side, but these power squats forces me to, mentally, it forced me to like drive through both legs evenly, and that's what I need because I'm a little uneven. But anyway, next exercise is squats again, but it's 3 sets of 10 regular tempo. So I've already done 1 set, but yeah, that's it. All right, y'all.